You're gonna be on YouTube. He's pretty good with that thing. So. Yeah, I just so we have to stop that and do it again. This is Chris with Home Depot. He delivers our wood and whatnot. He's a good guy. He is subscribed to our channel.
Like, subscribe, hit the bell, share all you can, let other people see the videos.
Say, why not? It's not hard.
The videos are good, and people love shorts. Shorts are nice. I hate long videos.
I
I'm stuck
agree.
watching.
I totally agree.
No, and it's not just bus stuff, it's all kinds of stuff. I like it.
That you can get a lot of different information quickly. It's all kinds of stuff that we have, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, it's a good channel.
We're going to be putting some tennis ones out here pretty soon.
Oh, cool.
We've been, have you seen any of those?
No, I've seen a bunch of the mechanic ones when you were working on the engines and stuff. I saw the bus one.
Yeah. You like that.
Yeah, I was going through the shorts.
Yeah.
You got a lot of mechanical ones.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
You
I
haven't
like
seen anything yet. Oh, we got so much. Unbelievable.
No, it's good. There's a lot of videos on the site.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a lot.
Yeah.
No, it's good. I like it.
Have you seen any of the They Took It All series? I'll send some of those to you. Those are about when we were living in Texas, we had game rooms and ATMs, air and water machines, and stuff like that. So we were millionaires. And the sheriff come and took everything from us. He asked for a bribe, and I told him to kiss my ass.
Where was this at?
In Texas. Dallas. Kennedale, Texas, actually. He asked for
Fort Worth
10% of what we were making. He said, "You need protection."
Yeah.
It's like the mafia.
Yep.
And they came in, and Steve refused it, and then 2 weeks later, they came in and they took $500,000
The
thing that got them on us was us going to them and wanting to clarify the penal code.
Oh, they don't like to be questioned. Come on.
No, they wouldn't help us.
No.
They approved it, and then we went to the county commissioner, we went to the DA, and we went to tried to get to the sheriff. He would not sit down with us, but he sent some people in, and they said, "You're fine."
Yeah.
And if something's wrong, the sheriff will get a hold of you. Then they came and said, "You need to share in the profits. Give us 10% for a donation."
Exactly.
And then when we didn't give it to them, and I told them to kiss my ass, then we did a federal case against them, and then they went after our lawyer, and our lawyer dropped the case so he wouldn't go to jail. That's the truth of it. I got the dockets from the case for them.
Doesn't surprise me. That's why I'm glad I live out in the woods where I'm at and nobody.
Absolutely. I'm glad we're back here and we're driving school bus. I'm quitting. Yeah, he's gonna quit. I'm retiring on the 24th or something.
I couldn't do it. I like driving my own rig. Nobody looking at me all day long.
Well, and plus you're not going to get sued if somebody gets hurt.
Yeah.
Well, you might.
I might. It's my company.
All right, buddy.
You guys have a good weekend?
All right, thanks, Chris.
You bet, man. Good seeing you guys.